Hello, I choose joy. Today we are going to make a cucumber salad with cucumbers from the garden. You know these things grow in abundance once they start. We're gonna make a light, refreshing cucumber salad. Come on, let's go. I got my mandolin out, my thick slice blade, and here are my cucumbers. So let's get started. I'm just gonna cut the very tip and the end off, and let's go. Nice uniform cucumbers. Wow, we only used 2 cucumbers and this is what we got. Now, let's go with red onion. Here's my red onion, peeled and ready to go. I'm gonna switch out my blade because I don't want these cut thick. I want them cut thinly. Oh, y'all, that was the thin blade. Oh well. Okay, so let's put it back in there. Gotta be paying attention, y'all. Okay, I did about 3 passes with the blade, and that's enough. Tomatoes, because my tomatoes aren't ready yet in my garden. They're still green. I'm gonna take a few of these, we'll wash them off, and add them to the bowl. And in fact, I think I need to get a larger bowl because this is turning into a production. Slice my tomatoes and just dump them in. Fresh dill and cilantro from the garden. Fresh basil from the garden. Just tear pieces in there. Tablespoon and a half of distilled vinegar. Tablespoon and a half of lemon juice. 1/4 cup of grapeseed oil, or you can use olive oil. Y'all know I like spice, so I'm gonna go in with a 1/4 teaspoon of my pepper seasoning. 2 teaspoons of capers. This is what it's looking like so far. We got one last ingredient, blue cheese. Now I'm gonna chop this up with my knife and not crumble it with my hands because I want people to eat it, and I don't know how it would feel, even though my hands are clean, with people crumbling up my blue cheese. Look at that. Let's stir it. That looks so tasty. Just put a dash of salt and a little dash of pepper, and that'll do it. If you want more dill, you can add more dill, but just remember, this is going to marinate just for a few more moments in the refrigerator, and those flavors will come together a lot better once they're in the refrigerator, so you don't want to over season it. Let's wrap her up. Leave her in the refrigerator for about 30-40 minutes. Okay, let's try it. That's refreshing. Try this with your cucumbers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell others about this channel. Why? Because we're spreading joy around here, y'all. Bye. Happy eating and happy gardening.